I hope that you all are doing great. Firstly, we are going to have a quick recap about the previous session. In the previous session, what we learned was we did an exercise relating to the proper nouns and common nouns, right? Then we also had done the listening skills exercise, right? આપણે લોકોએ listening નું જે portion હતું એ બી complete કર્યું. Then we also did the speaking exercise, right? આપણે જે speaking નું portion હતું એ બી complete કર્યું. Now our textual exercise and chapter explanation and question answers are already done. આપણે લોકોએ question answers અને textual exercise complete કરી લીધી છે. Now we are going to continue with classwork writing. So આજનો જે portion છે એટલે કે જે આપણે લોકો આજે લખવાના છીએ that you are supposed to write in your CW. તમારી CW માં you have already written vocabulary words and question answers. So now we are going to continue with the rest of the classwork writing. So let's get started. So we are going to start with the missing letters. आप लोगों को missing letters थी start करवाना चाहिए. What do you understand by missing letters? એટલે કે missing letters થી તમને શું સમજાય છે? Yes, missing letters એટલે કે કોઈ પણ word તમને આપેલો છે એના અમુક letters missing છે. Some of the letters of that particular word are missing. Right? જે તમારે fill up કરવાના છે with the help of the given words in the bracket. એટલે કે જે word ના missing letters છે એ words already તમને bracket માં આપેલા છે. Right? So you are supposed to fill the missing letters with the help of these words. So let's start with the first one. Okay. First one, it is given P dash E W. Now, from the above given words, what you are supposed to do is, you are just supposed to find out the word starting from letter P. તમારે શું કરવાનું છે કે આનો ફર્સ્ટ લેટર P છે તો ઉપરના given words માંથી તમારે P વાળો જે P લેટર હોય જે ફર્સ્ટ લેટર P હોય જે વર્ડનો એ તમારે find out કરવાનો છે. Okay, so let's see. Here we can see P. Bijaya, you are not getting the word P. So what you are supposed to do? After P, what will be the missing letter? It's H, then E. So here also we have the same letter, and the last one is W. So we just completed the word. We filled the missing letters with the help of this word given in the bracket. આપે લોકોએ જે bracket માં આપેલો છે word એની help થી we already filled the missing letters. Now, so the word is hue. Okay, what is this word? આપણે લોકોએ જ્યારે vocabulary learn કરી હતી, at that time we already had gone through this word. Yes, it's an expression or a happy expression or gesture which indicates કે તમારું કામ over થઈ ગયું છે. Like you have completed your task happily. એનું એક expression છે this word. Okay, so now let's move to the next one. S dash N S H dash dash and E. So what you are supposed to do, first thing is you are supposed to watch which word is starting from the letter S. તમારે સૌથી પહેલા જોવાનું છે કે કયો word S થી start થાય છે from the words given in the bracket. Bracket માં જે words આપ્યા છે એમાં S થી કયો word start થાય છે that you are supposed to look at. Now આમાં તો એવું નથી કે S વાળો બીજો બી word છે. So it is but obvious એટલે કે it is obvious છે કે this is the word because બીજો એકે letter બીજો એકે word S થી start થતો નથી. So after S we'll be writing U, then S, N, S, H, A, D and E. So the word is sunshade. Now what do you mean by sunshade? Yes, sunshade is a thing કે તમે sun થી protection લેવા માટે જે વસ્તુનો use કરો છો that can be considered as sunshade. It can be in the form of umbrella also, and the shade, that means the glasses you wear, that also comes under the sunshade. So this was the word sunshade. Now let's move to the next one, which is I N dash dash O and R. Again I'm repeating. First thing, you are supposed to look from the brackets which word is starting from the letter I. કયો word I થી start થાય છે એ તમારે જોવાનું છે. Here we have only one word which is starting from I, right? So it is but obvious that the word is indoor. It made the word indoor. What do you mean by indoor? You have heard indoor games. Indoor એટલે કે ઘરની અંદર or wherever you have four walls and you are doing your work inside it. That is called as indoor. Indoor games આપણે learn કરી હતી, right? કે જે you only play inside the house. બારે નહીં. So that is the meaning of the word indoor. Now let's move to the next one, which is starting from C. So you are supposed to look from the above given words in the bracket. The kayo word C thi start thai che, right? So it is but obvious that the word is this one. C U P B O A R and D. So the word is cupboard, right? Cupboard is a thing inside which you keep your clothes or things. તમારી કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ તમે જેની અંદર રાખો છો, right? Which is made up of wood and you keep it inside your room itself, which is called as cupboard, right? જેની અંદર તમે તમારી things રાખો છો or clothes રાખો છો, right? So these were the words which we used in missing letters, right? First thing તમારે શું કરવાનું, whenever you see a word, just look at the initial letters. Initial letters એટલે કે just look at the first letters. તમારે first letter જોવાના છે, then compare it and match it with the words given in the brackets, right? If same words na word use થતા હોય છે, if same letters na એક થી વધારે word હોય છે, તો what you are supposed to do, compare the next letters and count the letters. Count કરવાના છે letters. અગર p થી, if for example p થી બે words હોય, right? So what you are supposed to do, words count કરી લેવાના છે and then you are supposed to write it down and fill the missing letters, right? So now let's move to the next thing that we are supposed to write in the class work. So the next question that we are going to learn about is jumbled letters. જે તમારે missing letters પછી તમારી class work માં લખવાનું છે, right? What do you understand by jumbled letters? Jumbled letters એટલે કે which is not in sequence, જે sequence માં નથી એવા letters and આડા-ઉડા આપેલા હશે, right? So here the letters are jumbled એટલે કે which are not in sequence. એના આ letters કઈ mean નથી કરતા. It does not make sense. આનો કઈ મતલબ નથી થતો, right? With the help of bracket you are supposed to form or frame a word, right? So jumbled letters તમને આપેલા છે, with the help of the bracket you are supposed to form a word. Now what you are supposed to do is, you are supposed to, for example if we take this one, so you are supposed to count the letters given in that word. It has three letters A, T and H. So what you are supposed to do, bracket માં તમારે three lettered word ગોતો, right? What you are supposed to do, brackets માં તમારે three lettered word ગોતવાનો, because this word is having three letters. Now તમે find out કરી લીધું કે bracket માં three lettered word છે અને જો એક જ હોય તો that is the answer. अगर three letter નો એક જ word છે તો that word is the answer of this one. But એક થી વધારે હોય તો what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to compare the letters as well. કે આ વર્ડમાં જેટલા letters હોય અને જે letters હોય એ તમે જે word use કરો છો, જે તમે word point out કરો છો or તમને એવું લાગે છે કે આ word answer છે, એની સાથે તમારે એના letters match કરવાના. You will get a clear idea જ્યારે આપણે આ solve કરશું. A, T and H. First of all, count the letters. That's 1, 2 and 3. It is three letter word. The bracket માં આપણે three letter word બોલશું. Is this three letter word? First one, what do you think? Yes, it is. But let's so આના letters હવે આપણે compare કરશું. Next step કયું છે કે જોઈ લેવાનું એક વખત bracket માં કે બીજો three letter word હોવો જોઈએ નહીં. Okay, this is not three letter. This is also not three lettered, not this one and not this also, right? So what you are supposed to do, હવે આ જે તમને jumbled letters આપેલા છે એ તમારે આની સાથે match કરવાના. A, is this word having A? Yes, it is having A. You can see right here, this is A. T, yes, it is having T. H, yes, it is having H. So what do you understand? Yes, this word is the answer of this one. So you are supposed to write it over here like this. Let's move to the next one. The word is REAST. This is jumbled word. A jumbled word છે. એનું કાઈ sense નથી. It is not making any sense. એનો કાઈ meaning નથી આ word નો. So for to arrange it in a sequence and એના meaning માટે we would be finding out the word. હવે first of all તો આપણે શું કરશું? Letters count કરશું. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right. You are having 5 letters which are jumbled. So હવે આપણે શું કરશું? Bracket માં જોશું કે which word is matching with this. તો હવે first of all 5 lettered word ગોતો કયો છે? This is 5 lettered. This is 4, 6 and 4. So you only have one 5 lettered word over here. તમારી પાસે એક જ 5 lettered word છે. એ તો decide થઈ ગયું, right? Now compare the letters. આમાં જેટલા letters હોય એટલા આમાં letters હોવા જ જોઈએ, right? R, underline R. E, yes, this word is having E. A, yes, it is having A. S, yes, it is having S. T, yes, it has T. That means the word is stare. So what you are supposed to do? Write it down over here. I hope that you are getting a little idea of what we are doing. Now let's move to the next one. Word is V, E, O and D. This word is not making any sense. It is not making any sense because you have meaning nothing happen because it is jumbled. Right. First of all, let us count karso apne. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 letters. So given in the bracket after 4 letter word goes. Yes, this is 4 letter word. This is 6 letter word. And this again is 4 letter word. So suit you. We have 2 4 letter words over here. Apni paase બે 4 letter words છે અહીંયા. One is rain and one is dove. Now what we will do? We will be comparing the letters in both of them. આપણે બેયમાં જોઈ લેશું કે letters compare કરી લેશું, right? Now in this one we do we have V in rain? આપણી પાસે V છે rain માં, we do not have V, right? So અહીંયા જ decide થઈ ગયું that this is not the word. Confirm થઈ ગયું that this is not the word which is the answer of this one. Because આપણે અહીંયા શું જોઈએ છે? V, E, O, D. તો આમાં જેટલા letters હોય એટલા letters આ બે words માં થી એકમાં હોવા જોઈએ, right? તો એ તમારો answer સાચો થાય. So here we do not have V, so let's consider this one. આપણે consider કરશું V. Yes, we have V. E, yes. O, yes. D, yes. We have all the 4 letters in this word, right? So what is the word? It's dove. Now let's move to the next one. This, first of all, you are supposed to count the letters 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So now આ 4 lettered word હતો, આ 4 lettered word હતો. This was 6 lettered word. So this is 4 lettered word. હવે confirm થઈ ગયું કે એક જ 4 lettered word છે. Compare the letters. R, yes, it has R. I, yes, it has I. A, yes, and yes. So the word is rain. Right. So now let's look at the last word. શું કરવાનું થશે આપણે? Letters count કરવાના થશે. And we only have one word over here. So now what we are supposed to do is આપણે અહીંયા મેન્શન કરશું, રાઈટ? પહેલા તો કાઉન્ટ કરશું letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so these are the 6 letters in the word. હવે અહીંયા શું કરશું? આપણે આના બી letters કાઉન્ટ કરશું. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So હવે we are sure that this is the only word left. એક જ word બચ્યો છે. So we would be comparing the letters. G, it has D, yes. T, it has T. H, yes. I, yes. R, yes. B, yes. So the word is bright. So we will be writing here bright. Okay. So now let's move. I hope કે આ તમને સમજાઈ ગયો હશે. You are clear with this. So first of all, you are supposed to write the missing letters, then you are supposed to write the jumbled letters. Now we are moving on to the next one. We are supposed to start is opposite words. Opposite words એટલે કે totally opposite to each other, જેના meaning similar હોય નહીં. So now we are going to start with the opposite words. Number one, that is give. એટલે કે કોઈને આપવું. When you give something, when you give something to someone, that is giving. And take, that means તમે જે કોઈ પાસેથી તમે કાંઈ લ્યો છો, that is take. Give એટલે દેવું and take એટલે લેવું. So give, take, and this is the sign of opposite words. તમે જ્યારે બી opposite words લખો છો, so this is the sign for the same. Number two, that means love, hate. Love એટલે when you have a strong feeling for someone you love very much, right? તમને કોઈના માટે બહુ જ સારી feeling હોય, right, for somebody, that means love. You like that person so much, that is love. And hate, it means you don't like that person. You have a strong feeling of hatred. Hatred એટલે કે તમે લોકોને એ માણસ નથી ગમતું. You have a strong feeling of hate, that means that is hate. So love, hate, these are the opposites. Indoor, outdoor. Indoor, when you are playing indoor games, that means inside the house, that is indoor. When you are playing outside the garden or outside your house, that means outdoor. So indoor એટલે અંદર, outdoor એટલે બહાર. Likes, dislikes. When you were introducing yourself at that time, તમે લોકોએ તમારી likes અને dislikes નક્કી કરી હશે, right? You might have listed your likes and dislikes. Right, likes એટલે કે તમને જે વસ્તુ ગમે છે, dislikes એટલે કે તમને જે વસ્તુઓ નથી ગમતી, right? So likes and dislikes. Early, late. Early and late. Early એટલે કે વહેલું, late એટલે મોડું, right? So when you are coming to school, if you come on time or if you come early, એટલે કે તમે વહેલા આવી જાઓ છો, right? So that means early. And if you are coming to school, તમે સ્કૂલનો જે ટાઈમ ડિસાઇડેડ છે એનાથી મોડા આવો છો, that means you are late. આવું દીદી કહે છે તમને, right? So early, late. Let's revise it once again. Give, take, love, hate, indoor, outdoor, likes, dislikes, early and late. You are supposed to write these opposite words after jumbled letters in your CW itself. Okay, તમારે આ વસ્તુઓ તમારી CW માં મેન્શન કરવાની છે. Okay, so the next question is rhyming words which you are supposed to write after opposite words in your English CW. What do you understand by rhyming words? Rhyming words are the words which sound similar or same at the end of the word when you pronounce. જ્યારે તમે pronounce કરો છો તો એ similar sound કરશે, right? And there are two types of rhyming words જે આપણે already learn કરી લીધું છે, કે which spells similar and sounds similar, and which spells different but sounds similar, right? So in your text, તમારા context ને relate કરીએ તો we have that type which is spelling similar and also sounding similar. So let's start the first one. Hat, bat. Hat એટલે the cap that you're wearing, the kind of cap, and bat means it is the thing which you play bat and ball, right? That is bat. Love, dove. It is sounding similar. Are you observing the sound? Love, dove, right? So love is you have strong feeling for someone or somebody which you like, whom you like, and dove is a white bird which is a symbol of peace. Day, lay. Day means you have days of week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and so on. That is day, lay. And lay means to put something or someone into a particular position or place. તમે કાંઈ પણ કોઈને પણ કોઈ માણસને or કોઈ વસ્તુને તમે કોઈ પણ particular જગ્યા પર રાખો છો, it is called as to lay. So lay, lay. Wet means to get liquid substance like water on you, જેનાથી તમે ભીના થઈ જાઓ છો, that is wet. And net means it is jari, you can say, right? Net means jari. Cool, too. Cool means yes, thandu, right? That means cool. And tool means it is an equipment job kind of thing. Like એક કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ જે તમે કોઈ પણ કામ કરવા માટે યુઝ કરો છો, that is known as tool. So again, let's speak it. Hat, bat, glove, dove, day, lay, wet, net, cool, tool. This you have already we have already learned when we were studying the rhyming words topic, right? So these were the rhyming words. Now here we are going to end our session, so that you are supposed to write these words in your English CW, right? So what did we learn today? Now we are going to have a recap about what we learned in this session, right? So in this session okay, so now we are going to have a quick recap about what we learned in this session. In this session, we learned about missing letters, then we learned about jumbled words, then we learned about opposite words, and then we learned about rhyming words, which you are supposed to write in your English CW. So here, our first chapter, Hattie Hat, is almost over, right? We have done the explanation, we learned the vocabulary, chapter explanation is done, then we have written the question answers as well, textual exercises, and then classroom writing is also done, right? So now you are supposed to complete your CWs and just go through the video if you do not get clear with any of the concept. તમે કોઈ પણ concept ક્લિયર નથી તો just go through the chapter and videos of the same.